Here's Ronaldo. Hit it well!
Oh, my goodness.
What a goal! And that's even better than his first. It was simply unstoppable. Breathtaking stuff from Ronaldo.
Kevin, two goalkeepers wouldn't have saved that.
Hello dear friends, welcome to this tutorial clip. What do you want to say this tutorial clip? I teach create services clip, free delivery, product return, guarantee the authentication of the goods, and other services website give you. Now, before I teach create about this topic, you remember about before clips we have a wrong. We don't have a scroll website, okay? It's not good because in the base classes our flow it's wrong. Our flow we don't have hyphen x in the body. Our flow hyphen x hidden. Okay, refresh and test. Okay, we have a scroll. It's good. Now continue and in the teach. The first after section, click on the slider section, added section, new section. Okay, it's good. I'm also considering a class, div class Clipamooz service section. Also considering Clipamooz shadow. Now div class container, div class roof. Come back to main project and you see all of the services and you see 4 columns. Columns 1, columns 2, columns 3 and columns 4. Okay, and added div class col G3, column D3, col M6, col 12. Okay, come back to website project. We have and we need icons and H4 and span, 3 items. Okay, now added the first div class Clipamooz service icon, added I tags, I class, FA for example box. Now added H4, for example free delivery. After H4 added span class, for example added class text muted, CSS Bootstrap 4. For example, copy this project. Okay, over $100 and under 15 click guarantee. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Free delivery and over 100 and under 15 kilogram. Now added other services, product return 15. Okay, and we need to call 4 Control copy and Control V and Control V and Control V. Okay, two services and copy product return and go to replace and 15 opportunity and 15-day opportunity. Okay, it's good. Other services guarantee the authenticating of goods. Copy and valid warranty. Other services, possibility of payment on the post. And cash or bank card. Okay, it's good. Refresh and test. Okay, now added CSS. Continue. Now added Clipamooz service section with 100%. Display inline block. Margin top 0, left and right 0, and bottom 3 px. Padding top and bottom 0, left and padding top and bottom 3 px, left and right 0. Background FFF. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Now added CSS for icon. Clipamooz service section and Clipamooz service icon with 6 px, 60 px, heat 60 px, line heat 60 px, and float left, margin top px and right 10 px, margin top 10 px and margin right 10 px, and the button and the left 0. Color 61, 61, 61. Text align center. Border radius 50%. Okay, refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Continue for each one. Control D and Control Shift cursor button. Clipamooz service section and H4. And margin top 10 px and font size 0.9 rem. Okay, refresh and test. Okay, it's good. We can font size for span 8, 0.8 rem. Added CSS. Clipamooz service section span and added font size 0.8 ren. Okay, refresh and test. Okay, it's good. The same main project. Okay, now what's left, and change other icon, for example, continue and edit index.html to icon FA, for example, undo FA, and FA shield alt, FA credit card. Okay, refresh and test. Guarantee not run. Come back. FA shield. Okay, FA shield alt. Refresh and test. Okay, it's good. Now added background for icons. Background F5, F5, F5. Okay, refresh and test. Okay, it's good. It's very good. Thank you very much for this clip. I miss all good friends, and goodbye.